Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you very powerful tools inside Teachy.ai that can completely transform your lesson planning and saves you so much time as a teacher. The first tool is slide presentation. This tool is amazing because you just need to enter your topic, grade level, and a few instructions, and within seconds it generates a ready-made slide presentation for you. It also organizes the content properly, adds structured explanation, and even gives you engaging points to discuss in class. Imagine how much time we spent creating PowerPoint slides manually. This tool reduces that workload and allows you to focus more on delivering rather than the design. You can always edit and customize the slide according to your classroom need. Now let's look at the example here. For example, I'm doing this for mathematics for grade 3 and I want the topic to be area and perimeter, and I want the lesson duration 30 minutes. There are some optional key points like learning outcomes. What learning outcome do you want? For example, if I will check for this, I want 5.4H where they will represent solve the problems related to area and perimeter. Here they also mention the volume, but I want only my kids to discuss with the area and perimeter formulas and then finding the length, unknown factor, something like that. So I'll click on this, and also they will apply in the real life world problems. Let me select two, and then the language I want in English. Additional details if you want to add, like introduce the concept of area and perimeter and compare it using real life examples. Okay, this is the additional information. Then I'm going to select playful learning because I love this, or I select the creative grid because it is for math, so I will just have the squares here. And if you have any file attached, you can take the snips or something. I want this tool to search on the web for more details, and then there you go, it will use 100 credits of yours. So I'm going to click on generate and then just hold for a few minutes, and your presentation based on the standards, they will prepare the best content with beautiful slides and match everything whatever you require, and there you go, you will get your final presentation ready within few minutes. Now there you go, you can see it's still loading, so slide by slide it will pop up, and you will have one more option where you can edit any slide, any content if you want. For example, here this slide counting inside squares, we can count small squares, something like that. If you find any information in this PPT you want to edit, you want to personalize, feel free to do that. So can you imagine within few seconds your presentation is ready? So this is how this application, this AI tool works for us and makes our task easy and quick. So there you go. You can also present as it is. You can share it, send it to the students. You can share with other people, your other colleagues as well, or you can download and then you can personalize it. And one more option I have here is add to lesson. So I'm already creating the presentations related to area. So I'm going to put this in this previous lesson itself. So this content will be added into my previous folder. So on this side you can see my resources. Once you click on this, you can view all your resources here. So in this area lesson, when I click on this, I will get all my content, whatever I have created, because everything I put in this folder. So this is all about the first tool which we have discussed, And stay tuned, I'm going to discuss all other tools one by one in my next videos. So keep following, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your colleagues so that they can also use this application and make their work easy. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.